Hi, hello, namaste to everyone. So today in this video, let's know how to increase our digestive power. What Ayurveda says is our digestion is the main reason for our health. So if you need to be healthy, your digestion should be proper. So today, let's know more about this. So in Ayurveda, we call the ama, that is the undigested food, as ama, so this in turn results in various diseases. So we have to be careful and we have to look that our food gets digested properly. So what are the reasons behind this? So what are the reasons for this indigestion? So the first one is our lifestyle. Our sedentary lifestyle is the main reason, because hours together we are sitting in a place without any physical movement. So the food to get digested, we need to be physically active. We need to work hard physically. So this is the main reason. And the second reason is, according to our season and according to our prakriti, we should have our food. For example, if we are Vata Prakriti person, they are having the Vishamagni, or the food sometimes gets digested and sometimes it doesn't get digested. So in Vata Prakriti person, so according to his digestion, he has to take the food. In Pitta Prakriti person, the digestion is good, so he can have little more food because he can digest the things. And the third is the Kapha Prakriti person, his Agni is Manda, or it is his food, the food which he consumes doesn't get digested. So the next one is, according to the season, we have to consume our food. In summer, our digestive power will be very less, so we need to have the light diet during the summer. And in the winter, the digestive power will be more, so we can have a little bit heavy foods. And the third thing, that is in the rainy season, it will be madhyama, or it's like the medium strength during the rainy season. So the next reason is the timings. So when we are having food, we can have more food in the afternoon, but we have to have light food in the morning and in the evening. So better avoid any food at night after 7 p.m. So the next one is the ahara. So how we have to consume our ahara? If you are hungry, you have to eat food only when you're hungry. The next thing is, don't eat food when you're angry, or when you're emotionally disturbed, or when you're sad. So these all the things affect the food and it doesn't get digested. The next one is, when you're having the food, you have to have the sweets first, sweet taste food first. Then you can have sour, then the salty food, then you can pungent and the astringent taste later. The next one is, do not overeat the food. So what we do is, we overeat the food and we eat the food when we are not hungry. We consume the food even when the previous meal is not digested. So the next one is, we have to focus on the food and we have to eat. So these are the reasons for the indigestion. The next one is, how to improve our digestive system. First one is, you have to be physically active. So the next one is, use cumin or coriander or cardamom, turmeric and somp in your food or in your recipe preparations. The next one is, you can do dhyana. So when you do the meditation, so your stress, you release your stress and you can concentrate on the digestion process, and the food gets digested when you do the meditation. The next one is the yogasanas. So there are certain yogasanas which improves your digestion, like Supta Virasana or Vajrasana and the Trikonasana. So you can do all these asanas to improve your digestion. The next one is, even Shavasana can increase your digestion. So next one is the fasting. So in a week, once you can do fasting, one meal a week you can skip. Just one meal a week you can skip. So it depends on your health condition. So diabetes or BP or if you're having any disorder, just consult your doctor and find out whether you can do fasting or not. So next one is, after having your food, you can drink the buttermilk and the somf, or what you call the fennel seeds. You can consume it after your meals, so that the food gets digested easily. And one more thing you can do is, you can prepare kashaya once a week. Here what you have to do is, take half teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds, half teaspoon of roasted coriander seeds, and add 1 teaspoon of jaggery to 1 cup of water. Just boil it for a few minutes, then you just filter it and add 2 or 3 teaspoons of milk, and you can have this once a week or weekly twice. So this will increase your digestive power. And just by following all the things what has been told in Ayurveda in the daily regimen, it will definitely increase your digestion. So if you want to know more about the daily regimen, I think I have already made a video in Kannada, so you can watch it. I'll be providing the link in the description box. So this is all about the digestive power and how to increase it. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you.